skin, guys. There's like, oh, oh, wow. Oh my god, coyotes. Hi guys, good morning. Time check now, it's 9:13 already in the morning, and I heard noise outside. I think somebody is cleaning the apple orchard, apple trees over there. I hope they will clean up the pear tree in this area here, our area, because some people really usually clean up that place. They clean up the under the trees. It's nice and clean, but this year seems like no one did cleaning in that area over there. And you know, because they pick up all the fruit and stuff like that, so that's why they clean it up. So I guess they're not picking up this year. So I was thinking, I talked to my friends that we're gonna pick up my pear trees fruit, the pear, and sell it in Queens, because in Queens there's a lot of, like, you know, fruit stands and stuff like that. Maybe we can do that. I'm gonna clean this up. No one will finish my my thing, so I'm gonna throw it out. And it's been 2 weeks already, so I'm not eating it. I'm going to throw that out. Anyway guys, I don't have my breakfast yet, and I just finished editing, and now it's uploading. 6 minutes remaining. Why it takes more longer this time, guys? Well, Tommy is gonna be here today, but I don't know, probably it's gonna be late. And yeah, it's gonna be late today because dialysis, pick his nephews from the school, and Tommy's gonna be busy picking up everybody. Why you kinda sad looking, huh? Why you kinda sad? Why you sad? Why? What's wrong with you, baby? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? No, what's wrong with you? Gosh, you don't want me to touch Misty? I'm touching Misty, baby. I'm touching your sister. Your sister is adorable. Adorable but terrible. Adorable but terrible. Bulbul na. Adorable, bulbul. Adorable, bulbul. I love you so much. You know that. Yeah, she knows. Of course you know. I love you. Shower today, huh? You're gonna go out, and then chow. You know? Out, and then chow. It's sunny. Temperature is, look, temperature is 81 OG. I'm going to, maraming buhok ako, guys. There's a lot of buhok. Roxy Pipi, what a sexy lady. When she pee, she kinda really sexy. You're such a lady. Roxy, you're such a lady. The way she squats, she like, oh, like, the way she squats, guys. She squat, it's just like, oh, she squat like that. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hubs, leave her alone, you boy. Leave your sister alone. Naku, look, guys. Look. Leave your sister alone, Hubs. Dimples doesn't like to be bothered, but Hubs is kinda annoying though. You're kinda annoying. He like to annoy his sister. Look at that, guys. He won't leave him alone. Look at that. He will. Ay, nako ba. You're gonna get hurt, Habs. You deserve it. You're annoying. Look, he will keep following her and just keep following her. Poor Dimples trying to get away from her brother. My God. Hubs like it when Dimples get mad. Hubs like it. He won't stop bothering her because he kind of like it when her sister is kind of like. Oh my God. Hi, Hub. What's going on? Oh, she's just not even out yet? Strike what? Oh, what strike is that all about? Okay. Yeah, hold on. Hey! I've been following this cat. Dimples is trying to go away with Hubs. Hubs kept following her. I've been filming them together, and Hubs is trying to piss Dimples off. And Dimples run, Hubs run away, Hubs run after Dimples. Hubs, enough! Oh, you're gonna kill your sister, so freaking. This is not ending, Han. She just keep following Dimples. She won't stop. This has been before your call. I've been filming it. Yaka nagyaka ang palaka, palaka nagyaka. Hi guys! Anyway guys, sorry. Nadidisi kayo. Why ligo? Why legs guys? Look, tignan nyo. Why legs? Why ligo? Why ligo? Hello guys. Just get up actually. Get up because my sister-in-law called. And yeah, she called. And so I'm here. I'm just trying to get this thing. Oh, you cannot come in here, bug. I get the dog. Oh, you're gonna be. Oh, saan ba yun binilagay ko? Oh? Where did I put it? Kailangan nila yun, yung hairbrush. Alam niyo kung anong gawin ko. Kakain na lang ako ng crackers. Skyflakes with Nutella. Ito na lang. This is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna take them to the shower. Where is Roxy? It's so hot outside, so I'm just going to get some of this and transfer it to this small thing because I'm not bringing this outside, guys. Crackers, Skyflakes, paborito ni kain ni Mama. This is my lunch. I had late breakfast anyway, so ito na lang yung ano ko. Sila masya-shower kasi Walang shampoo. Come here, come here. Ibalik natin ito. Color. Come closer. Come here, closer. Closer, Come here. Closer, come here, good girl. It's so hot, I know. You need to take a shower. Walang shampoo, yeah. Do Mama have to go out? We can do it tomorrow, right? We can do it tomorrow, right? Yes, we can do it tomorrow, right? I know. Baby, I know. No leaking. Ay, nako. Hello guys! Ibuboil ko lang siya. Right now, it's with a lot of water because alam niyo naman, malaki yung pork. Pork is big, so you have to put a lot of water to cover up the whole thing. You know, and then I'm gonna put soy in it to taste while it's boiling. You know, soy and oh, hold on guys. Oh my god, guys, outside is crazy hot. When I open the door, when I open the window, the windows, 2 windows are open in that area right there, and the sliding doors. And then when you step close to the open windows and door, oh my god, it's just like the weather is really freaking crazy. Guys, as in, parang Pilipinas lang talaga. Ooh. Parang Pilipinas lang siya. So, this is the weather in the Philippines, rocks. So, if you wanna go to the Philippines, you cannot handle it. I'm gonna put air conditioning for you before people eat you. I'm gonna put air conditioning for you. Do you wanna go back to the Philippines or go back? Do you wanna go? Yes, it's hot. It's gonna be like this in the Philippines. I don't know if you can take it. I'm not really sure if you can. I'm not sure if you can, baby. I love you very much. I love her so much. She is the best baby in the world. Yes. Yes. Do you wanna Dada? Dada's coming here. Oh my god, napifeel ko yung cold, yung ginaw sa labas. Napifeel ko from the open door. But ito, si Roxy ay. Roxy, we cannot take a shower. It's stupid of me, Rox. I forgot a shampoo, Rox. I forgot a shampoo. I love her so much. Like she is a baby, like a real baby. Like a real baby to me, I'm sorry. But I don't have a baby, so she's it. She's it. She's it. She's it. Look. You can see yourself, Rox? Oh, look at that. You can see yourself. You can see yourself, baby. I love you so much. I love her. Oh, you're such a... Give me mama. Give it to mama. Good girl, Rox. You're such a good girl. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Give it to me. Hihinaan ko na lang siya kasi I'm just low it down because I'm going to the shower and I don't want to just keep boiling while I'm not around here, because if keep boiling it's going to splash everywhere, and so that's why. I know you love me, I know you hate me, what can I tell you? Mama's going to take a shower now. Look, I'm kiki. Look at my butt. Look. It's started. My pork is started. Nakaboil na siya, guys. I cut the skin and then I put salt on top of the skin and that's it. Dami's here with the bangs. Anyway guys, ito guys, asparagus. Ang nilagay ko lang dito. Why is not focusing? Okay. Sprinkle with oil, pepper, and salt. And then, ito, nakita nyo ito. Ano yan? I just did the lemon. Yeah, lemon. Lemon zest. Lemon zest? I don't know how that's how you call it. So yeah. Ang pork is almost ready. Hi, Bangsi.
Hi, guys.
I don't.
My hair looks like it's really horrible.
Because you have to do look. If Tammy's here, Roxy, did you listen, Roxy? She just keep barking to him.
Annoying to me.
Because you always.
Hey, it was fun.
Oh, Roxy, enough. No. And I will show you some picture. It's the cutest picture ever.
What's that?
Your two kids, a cat.
See? They love each other.
They love
each other. They love each other. You love her. Come here. Come here. I know, but I was trying to get out of it. Run away.
Okay guys, magluluto lang ako guys para makakain na si Tammy kasi Tammy is hungry. Kasi may bangsi boy is hungry.
You're really obnoxious, kid.
Okay guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano ko niluluto. Ito, nagbukal-bukal na oh. That's pasta. Ito, oil guys, at saka a lot of garlic. Very low lang siya yung pagluluto ko. Pagkatapos nito, lagyan ko to ng tubig galing dyan dito. At saka yun lang. At saka ibubuhos lang siya sa pasta. Here. Pasta here. Never do the pasta. Wash it. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. Ooh. And guys, the next thing you have to do is dump this. Pasta. This is the oil and the juice of the pasta and the garlic here. Pepper flakes. Pepper flakes. Saka this one, pepper guys, pepper. Pepper and then salt. You mix it guys. You mix it. Parmesan cheese, then a lot of this guys, as in a lot of parmesan cheese. Roxy, you are too much. I'm gonna add pepper flakes because love pepper flakes. Love pepper flakes. Yan, simple. Guys, tapos na siya. This is done. What I'm gonna do next is shut this off. The skin guys,
Wow, it has chubby
Yung skin niya super crunchy. Ito, look. At saka, yung meat niya as in super tender. Oh my G. This is our dinner, honey. Look at our dinner, baby. So good, baby. Thing is cooking right here too. Yep, asparagus. Natipak siya, guys. I don't know why natipak siya, but look. Look, so tignan nyo, guys. Sobrang tipak-tipak na, guys. Yung dinner namin, was so good. Yung pasta, it's just kinda dry out because you have to more put oil. I don't usually put too much oil because when I look the recipe is put a lot of oil. You can find that on YouTube. Yeah, you can add oil anyway even though when you're eating it, so which is good, but it's really tasty. Yung cheese naka-add at saka yung pepper flakes. Yun. I'm gonna end this vlog. Tom is downstairs lying down and he's tired. I just did all the washing and stuff done already. So I have something to tell you. Tommy was outside, let the dog out, and then so I follow him. Hello guys, insert shout out tayo. Hi to Pamplano family and Katayok family. They are from Bago Galleria, Davao City. Hi, the family of Pamplano and the Katayok family. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Hi sis, salamat. Shout out ko rin si na Ginilyn Manalo. Hi sis Ginilyn. Thank you so much for watching. At saka Tita Inday, sis T, salamat. Hoy, kayo mga silent viewers, may nag-comment kahapon yesterday's vlog na not silent no more. So thank you for commenting sis. And then, oh my god, Tommy and I was talking outside, and you know our backyard, guys, that there is like a mountain over there. You can see all the trees and stuff like that. There's like, oh my god, coyotes. There's a lot of coyotes out there, guys. And then you know what? I thought I heard two. I said, "How?" And then our two dogs are barking, running in the closer to the gate, and you know coyotes run really fast, and the same dog kind of thing. It's a wild dog. Oh my god, our two dogs are barking over there, and you know coyotes can hear them, and then they will come here, and they know there is a dog here. They will just, oh my god. And then Tommy told me that no, it's more than two. There's more of them out there. I can hear it clear. It scares me because every night at like 1 o'clock in the morning I let the dog out. Because you know, like to pee. So it's like makes me nervous. So you know what? I can't imagine seeing my two dogs being eaten by coyotes. So yeah, so that's my news. So anyway guys, see you later. So anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Pero pag makaraning kayo, para kayong buang.